All right, everybody, day 24 of the It Takes Grit Summer Series. We are going to do a Zen Yoga and Reboot. So if you're feeling like you need a little bit more energy, this is going to be the workout for you. So let's get started. You're going to bring your heels to the edges of your mat, all the way to the front, okay? So I want you to get into a nice straight line. This is going to practice working that your alignment is here. We're going to lift up through the chest, and you're going to take it over to one side. So lift that chest up, tuck those hips underneath, and come all the way back to the center. And let's take it over to the other side. So lift the chest up, give yourself a nice little smile. You are here today. We are day 24 of the summer series. It's amazing. Let's lift up that chest a little bit more, squeeze those glutes under, and let's take it over to the other side. Here we go. Now sway from side to side. Oh yes, we're going to create some energy today. We are going to feel zen by the end, and oh my goodness, you guys are doing such a great job of this series. My goodness, I am blown away by what you guys are achieving. Okay, we're going to come all the way to the center, tuck those hips underneath. We're going to tilt over to one side, and we're going to lift up all the way through the chest, and we're going to keep that same triangle pose. So if you need to, you're going to bring your hand right here on your thigh and just lift that arm straight up. If you need a little bit more of a stretch, you're going to feel it right here. Again, if you want to take it even wider, okay, feel that stretch a little bit more onto the inside of your thighs. Let's take an inhale and exhale, come all the way back to the center. Right, over to the other side. So tilt forward, okay, or tilt to the edge, and then you're going to lift up through the chest and then bringing that arm nice and high up to the sky. Take a nice inhale. Exhale. You're so happy to be here. Yes, we've got to give our bodies this time to reboot, to re-energize, come all the way back to the top. Now you're going to bend those knees and you're going to squeeze those elbows in towards your chest, and you're going to lift up nice and high. That's it. Remember this stance that gets us to feel amazing. It's like this. Yes, it is. So give yourself a yes. Remember our famous yes move. Okay, so squeeze those elbows in, push those knees out to the side, tuck those glutes underneath, and lift those arms up nice and high. Inhale through your nose and exhale, lift all the way up to the sky. Bring your hands up over the top of your head and take it over to your right, tucking those hips underneath, nice straight legs, back to the center, and then all the way over, taking a nice inhale and exhale, come back to the ground. So you're going to release all the way down to the ground onto your mat. Bring both of those heels facing forwards, and you're going to push down into the mat. You're going to take one arm out to the side, and we're just going to pulse it out. We're just going to create some energy right here. So push down with your fingertips or onto a flat hand of your left, and then have those legs nice and straight. Feel that stretch for 3, 2, 1. Over to the other side. So that's it. Lengthen that neck, lengthen the chest. Okay, nice straight back. Push down into the hands, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now let's try both hands. You might want to put a slight bend in the knee, lift up that chest a little bit more, and let's take it out to the side. Let's go. We've got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release all the way down to the ground. Take your opposite elbows and sway from side to side. Slight bend in the knee if you need to, and just take a nice big inhale. And exhale everything out. Come all the way back to a center position. Inhale, lift your chest up, and exhale, come all the way down to the ground. Okay, we're going to roll all the way onto our back, and we're going to take it into a little tiny pulse, okay? So you're going to just lift up here, and we're just going to bring these arms up and down just to create a little bit of energy and flow. So if you need to, relax your head down onto the ground, tucking those hips underneath, and then that's it, just moving those arms up and down to create the flow. Okay, nice inhale through your nose and exhale out. Take those legs down just a little bit lower. And just breathe. Oh my goodness, yes, creating this energy. Okay, let's speed it up just a little bit. These tiny little pulses right here. Pull the belly button in towards the spine. Release the chest onto the ground. No tension in your neck or your head. Let's go for 3, 2, 1, and give yourself a little squeeze right here. Extend those legs up and give me 3 gentle roll-ups. We're gonna go 1, and we're gonna go 2, and we're going to go 3 all the way over into your high plank. So come into a high plank. We're going to take it through our flow. So squeeze those elbows in towards your waist. Lift your chest up into an upward facing dog. Bring those knees up off the ground. Squeeze those thighs together. Tuck those toes underneath, and exhale. Take it down into your downward facing dog. All right, let's pedal it out here. Oh my goodness, yes, creating that energy, giving ourselves a boost. Okay, we're going to take our feet a little bit wider this time onto the edges of your mat. You're going to take a nice bend down and then extend those legs up and then come all the way up onto your toes. So bring the heels down, bring those knees towards your mat, and then send those toes up nice and high to the sky. That's it. Take a nice big breath in Inhale through your nose and exhale, release everything out. Bring those feet back to the center. And again, let's take a nice pause right here. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. And let's just pulse those heels up and down. Nice and gently, just feeling the stretch. Push down into the fingertips. Those fingers are nice and wide onto the mat. The chest is down, and just taking a couple of pulses just to create that energy. Let's go for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up that right leg and step it all the way through into a warrior 1. So bring those arms up all the way up to the top and then hold right here and just take it into a couple of very gentle little pulses going forwards. Release those shoulders away from the ears and take those hands behind your back and feel that stretch. That's it. So lean forward, interlace your fingertips behind, and then release all the way down to the ground. That's it. Pulling those abs nice and tight to work on the balance. And just take a nice big breath in. Inhale through your nose and exhale. Release those fingertips all the way down to the ground. Push down into the ground. Come back into your high plank and take it all the way through your flow. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, tuck those toes underneath, downward facing dog. Let's take it over to the other side. So inhale, lift up that left leg nice and high and step it all the way through into your warrior 1. Bring those arms up over the top of your head, both of those hips facing forwards, and just take it into slightly tiny little pulses going forwards, lifting that chest up nice and high. All right, you're looking so good, everybody. Let's keep it going. Let's keep that energy. Bring those hands behind the back of you, and let's lean forward and take it all the way down to the ground. Take a nice big inhale. And as you exhale, release your hands to the top of the mat, and let's take it through your flow. It's an optional flow, so if you don't want to take it through the flow today, all you've got to do is come back into that downward facing dog. Bring your heels back up, and let's take it back into those small little pulses. That's it. Push down in those fingers. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. And let's extend that left leg nice, that right leg nice and high. Come all the way into your warrior 2 this time. So push down into the knee, tiny little pulses. Here we go. Inhale through your nose and exhale all the way out. Now lean slightly forward, come all the way and open up that warrior. Take a nice big breath in. Inhale, and as you exhale, take it into a reverse warrior, lifting that arm over the top of your head, sinking into the front hip, and take it into a small, slight little pulses for 3, 2, 1. Take it all the way down to the ground and just take it through your optional flow. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Okay, extend that left leg nice and high and step it all the way through into your warrior 2. Hold this position right here, tucking those hips underneath and giving yourself a nice little smile. Here we go. Just pushing it forward. Breathe for 3, 2, 1. Tilt forward and extend, open up, lifting up through the chest, tucking those hips underneath. Inhale through your nose and exhale. As you exhale, take it into that reverse warrior. Breathe in and exhale, sink even more into that front hip. Come all the way back to the center and take it into your flow. Oh yes, inhale through your nose, exhale, upward facing dog, tuck those toes underneath, downward facing dog, and come back and hold right here. Push down into the fingertips, and we're gonna take it through. We're gonna take it into a high plank, back to your downward facing dog. That's it. Let's keep that flow of energy going. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. Push those hips nice and high up to the sky, and let's hold up here and pedal out that dog. Feel the difference in the dog this time to when you very first got started. Come to a still position. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, come all the way down to the ground and flip it over onto your back. Let's stretch it out, everybody. Okay, you're gonna bring your heels to touch and you're gonna hold this stretch right here. So just relax your head on the ground and we're gonna sway from side to side. It's like you would if you were sitting up doing this, but we're just gonna do it on the back so that we can get a little bit more of a sway. All right, everybody, take a nice big inhale. And as you exhale, just release everything. And inhale, squeeze nice and tight. And exhale, release. Bring those knees back to touch. Extend those legs up to the sky and release all the way down to the ground. We're gonna bring that right knee in and you're just gonna turn it out. So feel that stretch here. So instead of grabbing it underneath your elbow this time, you're gonna grab hold of your foot and feel that stretch right here. Inhale through your nose. And exhale out. If you want more of a stretch, you can extend that leg out to the side, maybe have it slightly bent and just feel that stretch. Stretching from one side to the other, really point that toe. Inhale and come all the way back to the center. Let's take it over to the other side to extend that leg nice and long, bringing that heel in towards you. That's it, hold it here for a couple of seconds. If you want more of that stretch, you're gonna bring your hand underneath your foot, extend that up to the sky, maybe just bending your knee here and extending up the opposite leg to feel that stretch all through both of your muscles, both of the insides of your legs. Okay, everybody, gently bring it all the way back in. Give yourself a nice big squeeze. Extend those legs up, take it into a gentle roll up, come all the way to the center for me. And let's take it into our very final stretch. Remember, we're gonna reboot that energy. So arms out to the side, take it into a couple of pulses down, a little pulses going up, and take it back down again. Take it forwards, take it backwards, little pulses up and down. We got this, lift that chest up, come on, grow just a couple of inches taller, take those pulses forward and take it back, arms over the top of your head, inhale through your nose, exhale, release those fingertips onto the mat, push down into the ground. Make sure that you join me for the next workout tomorrow in our series. You guys are doing so great, we haven't got long left, but guess what? We have still got so much more time together. Guys, here's the next workout, I'll see you then, bye. Take a breath in. And exhale everything out, come all the way back to the center, arms out to the side, tucking those hips underneath and bring your hips all the way back up to the top